Hello everybody and welcome to my fifth Python programming tutorial, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up your code editor and which is the better code editor in my opinion and which one I use. So first of all, open your browser, and I uninstalled my code editor that I like the most, so I can show you step by step where to go. So just sublime.com. Okay, maybe not. Just go Sublime, because that's another. So yeah, guys, go to Sublime. All right, Sublime text. There you go. And then go here in the site. It's gonna say Sublime text. Click on downloads, or you can click on download for Windows if you want. But I'm just gonna click on download. And then you have Windows for 32-bit, OS X for Mac, Linux, and Windows for 64-bit. So me, I'm a 64-bit. If you're 32-bit, go check my first video to check out how you can do, how you can know if you're 32-bit. So now you click on this, and then it takes 2 seconds. So why did I choose this code editor? Is because it's really simple, and I like it a lot because I like the design and everything. And yeah, some people say it costs money, and it does, but you uh, wait, let me just install this. Yes, install. And then some people, it does cost money, but um okay, finish. It's already finished. Okay, this is fast. So Sublime, go here, text, there you go. And then just okay, click on yes. Wait, did I do this already? Wait, sorry. Wait, I didn't I do this already? Wait. Sublime text. There you go. There it is. So then, when you finish the installation, like I just did, go on your start and click, type in Sublime Text 3. So I'm just going to pin to taskbar, and then here it is. Let me just put it here and open this, and then here it is. So now people say that yeah, it costs money, but you don't need to buy it. Like as you see here, it's written unregistered because I didn't buy it, but it's gonna ask you from time to time to buy it. So it's gonna little window is gonna pop up. So now you have to set up your Sublime Text to Python and choose your own. You're gonna see what I mean. So go to preferences. So you have file, edit, selection, find, view, go to, tools, project, preferences, and then you have color scheme, theme, font, and you go. Yeah. And then let me go color scheme. Right now I have the Monokai color scheme or whatever. How you call it, I don't know. But you can choose, there's so many color schemes. So I have Monokai, it's like black here on the top, and then here black too. I just like it like that, but you can choose whatever you want. I don't like this one, it's too bright, so I'm not gonna choose that. Let me just change it. Color scheme, that was the one. And then Mariana, no, I still don't like that one. No, see, so I'll just choose mine. I have, wait, what's this one? Okay, yeah, they're all bright, so I'll just go here and Monokai. So that one's the best. So yeah, now you also want to change this thing, the theme. So go here, and I have the adaptive Sublime theme. So it's black here and black here. So I just like it like that. I just like it dark. So you can also change it to whatever you want. So like this, but I don't like it like that. So I'm just gonna change it. Alright, you can also change the font, larger, smaller, but I'm just going to zoom in inside now. As you can see, let's say I write print whatever, right? So hello world. So I might ask, why is it not colored? Because if you come over here at the bottom right corner, it's written plain text. You want to click on that, and then you have all the languages that you can choose from. So there's so many languages, and it's the basic one that it chooses. It's plain text. Okay, so it's a txt file. So now you will want to go here and scroll. Then you have action script, a bunch of stuff, and then scroll down, and then you have Python. So click on Python, and then now you can see that it is colored, and then you can save it. This, all right. Save it as first um, first program, and let's save it in my here. Go here Python 3.7. All right, first program already exists. No. All right, 1 2 3. All right, there you go. First program 1 2 3, and you can change whatever you want from here. So yeah, that's my favorite code editor. It's so simple to set up, and I really like it. So yeah, just drink some water. All right, now let's talk about two more code editors. So I have Jupyter and Spider. So why did I choose these ones? Because I installed these code editors when I was a beginner, and I used to like choose them. And, like, I used to use them a lot. Yeah, but now like 3 months ago, I started using Sublime, and I really liked it. So yeah, so remove that. Get rid of that. All right. So now I won't show you how to install Spider because it's pretty easy. You can just go on their site. Let me show you here. But I already installed it. I didn't delete it. I'm gonna go Spider. It's called like this. Yeah, this is Spider. It's with a Y, by the way, not an I. It's with a Y. So no, not this one. Spider website. This one. Right. And then alright, here it is. So now, download Spider with Anaconda. That's what I did. So you just click this. Hopefully it doesn't download right now. So, alright, yeah, that's the one. That's the one. So now there's Python 3.7 version. That's the one you want. You don't want to click Python 2.7. That's the old version of Python. Uh, so yeah, make sure you click Python 3.7 version. Now I already downloaded the Spider, so just click download and click next, next, next. And if it asks you any questions, just click I accept the agreement. If it asks you, because I don't remember. All right. Um. So yeah, that's free. All of the things are free. And make sure you click Windows. I mean, if you're on Windows, click Windows. So yeah, if you're on Windows, click that. And if you're on 64-bit, you can click this. 32-bit, click this. I already showed you guys. On Mac, click this. Linux, click this. It's very easy. So yeah, now once you installed it, hopefully you did, just open it. Just close this. It takes a while to load, so bear with me, alright? Um, Now this is why I don't like Spider a lot. It's pretty slow. It's pretty slow. So let's open this. Alright, so now that you have your Spider open, so I literally had to cut because it was taking too much time. Okay, so once you have your Spider open, the IDLE, so type in print. Right, okay, it was lagging a little. And then hello world, and then you run it, and then it says this thing, and then it runs it here. So yeah, that's for Spider. Now I'm going to show you Jupyter Notebook. I really like that one, Jupyter Notebook. So going that. Oh yeah, also going to show you how to install. All right, so I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook. So go open your Google Chrome, and now type in Jupyter Notebook. All right. No, not Kaggle. Nope. There you go. Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter.org. So that's how you write it with a Y. And all right, here it is. Now install. Click on when you go on the site. There will be the Jupyter Notebook, an open source web application. Is great. Okay, that's what it means. So install the notebook. All right, and installing Jupyter Notebook. Installing Jupyter Notebook. Using okay, because you have to use Anaconda Navigator. There you go. Now it's gonna install the Jupyter within minutes. All right. So basically, what it's saying, you have to install it to the Anaconda. So you already installed the Anaconda when you installed Spider, right? So sorry for the background sound, right? So yeah, you have the Anaconda. So you already installed it with Spider. It's already installed for you, and so open that. So when you went to the start, you type in Anaconda Navigator, and on the Anaconda Navigator, you have Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and like I think much more editors. So yeah, initializing. I like Jupyter Notebook a lot, but it's made more for smaller codes, because it's like an IDLE. I don't know if you know what's an IDLE, but yeah. So open. All right, here it is. Yeah, there you go. So you have Jupyter Lab Notebook, Qt Console Spider, Virtual S Code, GlueViz, Orange Tree, RStudio. I never heard of that. But all of these all these things are code editors. So now what do we want? You can also launch Spider from here, like what I just did, or you can just call it from the start. Like you can go Spider. Yeah, there you go. See? So yeah. Now with Jupyter. Alright, so I just made an error. So let's say you want to go to Jupyter Notebook, just open Jupyter Lab, okay, and then it's gonna tell you, oh, Jupyter Notebook, and just Jupyter Notebook, and you can click on it. So this is Jupyter Notebook, and then you can say print. Wait a second. Save. Let me just save it. Hello. Nice. Print. Hello world. Okay. Oh. Alright, now let me just run it, and hello world. So basically this is what it is. Yeah, so that's Jupyter Notebook. I'm not going to go too much inside, but yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Comment in the comments if you have any questions. I will answer them. Make sure to thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Share it to your friends, subscribe if you want for more, and ask me the questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.